Welcome to Grand Street. Yeah, Grand and Matt. And this is just another day on my hustle, son. Hey, I don't tell y'all a billion ways how to make $100,000 for the year, but some of y'all don't take it. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a nice day in the city. Today I'm in the work van, son. Amazon flex later. But for right now, it's all about money, son. It's about the paper, kid. Run it up. Let me get that right there. What? Hey. Living in any city, you gotta be a hustler, right? But I know for sure, you live in New York, you better be a hustler, kid. Sir, I'm one of the biggest hustlers out here. I got a hop for every day, son. Right? I got an Uber Eat app. I got what do you call that other shit? I don't do DoorDash. But yo, man, what the fuck? Never y'all cover the camera and attack shit. Yeah, man, I tell you, say, yo, you have to get your hustle on, bro. Feel me? That's where the energy there, dog. Make some money, dog, man. If you don't want to make too much friends right now, like come on, make money, bro. Yeah. Then when I left from this house there, I still like up on the next hustle. You understand? The work continue, bro. And people may ask you, please and thanks, slap up the like and the subscribe button, you see me? Yeah. I come like if people now chat people who are not interested to subscribe. Well, go on. I'm not chat people over here, so progress with you. See? So this is how I do my thing over yes up on MVision. I do my tours when I'm ready. And then I do my real life story. Like show no how I make my money. Right? You try to inspire you. To get the fuck up and go make some money, bro. You understand, dog? So that's what the fuck me I do right now. I can't even open the door, bro. Need some WD-40 and that's something. What I go on? The fuck I go on over there? Yeah. Let's see. See what really I go on from the front. On the brand, is it them way there, you see me? Kinda quiet still. What's new? Look like I'm chilling, I'm working, son. I can't even do too much of a walk, like, you know what I mean? We just have to just go and do it. It's a rental bike. Your greatest thing of my life is here, just the people who rent a bike and just go work. Just rent a bike and work all day. Do some Uber Eats. Whatever the hell you gotta do, bro. You could go rent a bike and make back your money. You know what I'm saying? Just get creative. Oh, I gotta turn these lights off. Alright. Just now me a park the van, right? Next delivery guy a forward. See? And the guy basically there on some base, you know, because he want to argue. So you know who and him argue. And he not going to turn out right. So I know where my pray. Argument enough for we here. Love me. So I ain't gonna lie though, over this side kinda dead right now. It's so bad the place got affected by all of the people them I hide from ice or whatever the case is, bro. Outside plenty. I don't see too much people. This is in Manhattan, bro. Lower Manhattan right now. And it's like you barely seeing too many people. It's not too much. You'd be like, what happened? Trump said, clean the streets up, man. Trump said he gonna make America great again. Oh man, that's for real. Yo, I ain't doing no vlogs for like what, 3-4 days now, right? But guess what happened? It's all good. I was doing other stuff. See, as long as I'm doing something positive, don't worry yourself. Y'all gonna get that business. You know what I mean? But just know that right now, I'm trying to inspire y'all. Get up. You can get this. It's so yard here, awesome. Okay. Yeah, when I be a yard in America, this is how you roll like this. Keep my flag with me. Here. Like that. Them have to know. Them have to know, dog. You know the funniest thing, I never did know my bandana in another pocket there. Come in and wear this jacket, bro. Just dip and feel it. You understand? So, this is what happening right now, bro. I gotta let my flag wave, you understand? I can know where I represent, where I'm from. If you ask me what I'm banging, I bang the Jamaican flag. Get with it. That me I talk about. Yeah. That's some rep, that's where I come from, road boy. Down at Jamaica, you're here now over Queens. And whether you try to make some of the American dream be real, you know what I mean? Try to bring the American dream to the real side of town. There I talk my shit from the corner here, bro. Go back in my fan man and go relax. I don't just stand up like what a ticket man now forward. Look. Not one ticket man inside. All the way down. See the place dead, dog? Nah, like, I don't know. I really don't know why the fucking place so dead. Is everybody scared? Too much bad people there are so scared. Fuck we not scared for? Yeah? I think we did bad. I don't know care. Like people them get panic and fuck. No man no want to come on the road no more. Brother, I step out the road and nobody give a fuck, bro. What if it happen, I got happen, bro? Some of my girls them out there now, them nipple them hard up out there now and them they by themselves bad man. One of the man them run a gun, bro. I don't know what one. And some of them girls run it too. Come over this. went to one store a while ago, so I want to buy something to consume, and I tell you so. I fly around there look like one drunker, bro. Let me just look at me and say to myself, you can imagine all this a drunker pitch for my things. Yeah, bad man. So this is what me I do right now. I just go and build inside of the work for there, but I just chill. You see? You see how much meat we got already because I'm gonna do me a favor, man. Subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I remember now, this is just another one of my hustle. Now all of them. By the time you find out all of my hustle them, you probably run out of page to write down the things you want to do. Bro, I do a whole heap of things. Here. Yeah, man. I do a whole heap of things. Get the business. As long as it's my business and I don't fear blood clot business, that is it. Yes. We are going that way there now. Is it straight up there, so? Over that side there, I go right now. Bro, I notice the place just look dark, bro. Like all this, what that? I wanna call it foggy clouds. I really fucking want to call that shit, bro. I beer that shit I see from morning, bro. You can't even see too far, bro. I mean, I see yo, what go on about the place, ya dog. Oh, and a girl that looks so dead, bro. Like the people them not no money. Everybody just look depressed, bro. Judgment, bro. The people them look like them have no money, bro. Like crazy. Bro, one thing still, man, they might get them hustle on, I can't lie. I can't lie, a blood clot, but they might get them grind on. You have to hustle on, man. Cause right now, ain't shit happening. Everybody look depressed as fuck. This is the first I see everybody just look depressed. People got this hungry look on their face, bro. I don't know what the fuck I going, bro. You understand? That's why I want to do something for me and just subscribe. Cause nothing not going out here, bro. We can help change one person's life out here. Subscribe. Stop your fucker. And then you want to get nice content for watch it. Pretty woman and walk a stoplight or something. God go, don't know. Yeah. Go on. Bumbo clock this and a lake this. No. What is under my nose? Oh.